My mom is a gut expert, and she's been helping women reverse their gut health and heal their guts naturally for years now, including my own. I had PCOS, anxiety, depression, and extreme gut issues. Would you say I had IBS or?
I mean, you had the symptoms that people would look at if you had Crohn's or colitis, and you were on a very heavy junk food diet for several years, and it definitely disrupted your gut microbiome.
And so
My gut microbiome was decimated after an entire childhood of antibiotics, both orally and intravenously. I didn't know that.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
But I had all of these issues as a result: chronic constipation, chronic diarrhea, chronic skin problems, IBS. I had like so many, and no doctor could help me. I went to so many doctors all over the world, and I had to come to learn about it on my own. And I've spent the last several decades healing my own gut microbiome and helping others to do the same. And it's been a really intimate journey, as you can imagine. The gut microbiome, after extreme weight loss, does take time to adjust. All of your organs have to heal. Your gallbladder, your kidneys, your pancreas, your liver. And you optimize your gut microbiome and your brain, that's your belly, your large intestine. There is a direct connection to your brain. And Penelope was riddled with PCOS, anxiety, depression, and it's really challenging.
And I also had red bumps all over my skin. And so I was starting to get acne on my back, and I was starting to get lots of red bumps everywhere. And this was because of my diet, my ultra processed food diet.
And you had discoloration.
I had discoloration under my arms, like even I think on my neck a little bit.
You had also
under my knees.
you had this really also this horrible texture to your elbows and your knees as well.
They were very dry.
And so this is all reflective of the ultra processed food diet. And if you can relate to any of these symptoms, then you know something needs to be fixed in your gut microbiome. And so one of the things that Penelope did that I recommend you do, and you can take away from this video, is eating organic food. And I know some people will say, well, organic is a scam. You know what? I get it. Some things they let through that they shouldn't. Is it regulated as well as it should be? Maybe not. You could poke a lot of holes in the argument.
We actually interviewed a farmer who we love dearly, and she does regenerative farming on her farm. And so you should check that out if you're curious about, is organic a scam? I asked her that question.
And I just am here to tell you that it's at least one step closer to eating foods that are not genetically modified. And one of the things that really disrupts your gut microbiome is eating herbicides, fungicides, and pesticides. And you say, well, I don't eat any of those. Are you kidding me? I'm not going to take a bottle of glyphosate and drink it. I get it. But guess what? It's probably all over your food because unfortunately they don't want bugs because bugs increase, crop destruction. But we do have bugs.
So your coffee should be organic. That's like one of the most heavily sprayed foods that we eat today.
Well, and your green tea.
And your green tea, I didn't know that.
Yeah, green tea and oats and chickpeas are on
Peanuts are not organic. Apparently those peanuts are never organic, even if they say they are. I heard from Dr. Barbara, I think her name is, Barbara O'Neill. If you trust her, then you'll trust this. She says only if you grow them yourself in your backyard. You shouldn't be eating peanuts because they're filled with aflatoxins and mold.
Right. Well,
I'm saying the peanut thing because I used to eat a lot of peanuts. I ate the kinds that were not organic, and I ate Skippy, and a lot of fat people love peanut butter. And that stuff made my skin so red, and I had dots everywhere. So I just let you guys know that.
One of our members who's lost over 100 pounds also had really intense rosacea. And now it's complete. She said it magically disappeared. Those are her words. It magically disappeared. And I can speak to that. All of my skin rashes and acne completely disappeared when I focused on my gut health. And if you are interested in joining our 7-day sugar detox and gut reset for free, just definitely click the link in the description because we absolutely show you how to do that. And you do have to pass through a threshold, but at the end of the 7 days, you will find yourself feeling more energized. You will find your skin looking a little bit better, and so on and so forth. We really, really believe that it works. And it's one of the main things you did to lose the weight and to have tight skin and to heal your gut microbiome. Because if you want to lose a massive amount of weight, we believe that the healing comes from the inside out. And if you want to lose 8 to 10 pounds this month, we have a paid program. It's a 30-day challenge. And those are Ozempic-like results. In fact, our girls are outperforming the weight loss compared to their Ozempic family. And it is shocking. And they don't have any of the side effects. They only have good side effects. That's not true. They have side effects. They have more happy.
They're less inflamed. They have more energy. They don't have stomach
They're
aches
sleeping
anymore.
well,
They
yeah.
don't have PCOS anymore like me. They don't have loose skin. Wow, shocker.
They're breaking through all kinds of barriers that they never thought that they could.
Guys can get access to all of our recipes that we make because we're cooking every single day, and we show you how to make sugar-free, gluten-free, grain-free, amazing recipes that give you weight loss. So if you want to get access to all our recipes, subscribe to our Substack. You're also supporting our mission in helping women heal their bodies naturally, which is feel so grateful to do what we do. We love what we do. So support our channels, our social media, follow us on X, TikTok, Instagram, and please subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed already. We appreciate all of your support, and it really helps us grow. And share this video with someone you love, comment something you learned, and like this video.